Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samaya, and today we're going to be reviewing Mayvenn's dyed virgin hair. So this is the dyed virgin hair, and it is really soft. I didn't know how it was going to come out because it's been a little bit more processed than the other hair, but it came out really good. And in this video I did a pronto, and I just show you basically my natural hair, addressing a comment that was made on one of my previous videos. So there's a little rant in here, but besides the rant, I'll tell you about the hair. But I did have to let you guys know that my natural hair is healthy. This is my natural hair right here. And it's growing out from a bob. I just wanted to show you this hair, so go ahead and keep watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel before you go any further into this video, go ahead, hit the like button. Don't forget to comment and say, hey, I'm here, Samaya. And subscribe, turn on your post notifications. That's the little bell. Turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an update. And I have some great videos, but I'm so behind. But I have, oh my God, I have some great stuff. I've done a lot of shopping, so I have a lot of reviews to do. And I'm going to Vegas, so go ahead and subscribe. And go ahead and keep watching. Not go ahead and keep watching. Like, keep watching. Right, so I hate that I had to come to you guys like this, but in my last video, as you can see, I'm gonna show you my little hair. I was gonna record this for you guys, but I feel like it's a lot of these videos on YouTube. If y'all want to see me do hair tutorials when I do my hair, you just have to let me know that's what you want to see, and I'll do it. But I'm just doing like a quick weave, a pronto, whatever you want to call it. So I didn't really think y'all wanted to see that, but I'll just show you the end result. But someone tried me in my comments, and whenever y'all know I'll be gracious, I'll be liking y'all comments when y'all be negative and everything, like, hey, more power to you, I'm still gonna have a good day. Like, it doesn't bother me at all. But let me try to scooch down. She was like, do you take care of your natural hair? Like, what does your natural hair look like? Like, she said my hair looked dry. I get treatments on my hair every 6 weeks. I go to Hair Cuttery. It's a place here, and also at Smart Styles. They have a chemistry treatment. The chemistry treatment goes into your cuticle, not sits on top of the hair. It goes into the cuticle, and then it's sealed down with a pH level of 3.5 or 5.5. You probably don't even know what that is, but I get that done to my hair. And I am like taking hair vitamins. And if you really watch my channel, you know that all my edges came out. Like, I didn't have edges. So if my hair was not healthy and getting back to its most healthier state, I wouldn't have any edges. Like, I have edges. My hair is fine. There is nothing in my hair right now. She put a little bit of leave-in, It's conditioner, but I go get my hair shampooed by someone else, and then they put the treatment in, and then I come home and then I do it. So, not that you offended me or anything, but just in case anyone else wants to know what my natural hair looked like. My hair is growing out from a bob. I'll insert a picture. My hair was cut to here, and the back of my hair was like this long. Now the back of my hair comes down to here. From a bob. My hair is, when I was wearing my hair straight, my hair like permanently gets straight. It's like you can blow dry my hair and it would just be straight. It will lose its curl pattern. So I've been keeping heat out my hair. I did do a ponytail where I did press out my hair a little bit, but you can blow dry my hair straight and it'll be straight. That's just how my hair is. I had my hair blow dried once this year and flat iron, or I straightened it out a little bit just on the edges. Like twice a year. I have not been putting heat in my hair. I've been growing my hair out, and because my hair is in this awkward stage, I have been keeping it in weaves to grow up, because that's when my hair grows the best and I don't have to alter my texture too much. Even this quick weave that I'm about to do is kind of doing too much, because I'm going to probably do a middle part, or I don't know what I'm about to do. But I'll come back and show you the results. But I just want to like answer that, like, honey, I'm a licensed hairstylist and I'm not new to this. I know how to take care of hair. Usually all my clients' hair I grow, unless they're stubborn and they want to keep putting glue in their hair and not following my recommendations. But I just let that person go. Like, and I'm quick to let someone go. Like, you know, I will let you go. I ain't gonna say no more. But I just want to come and do that and share that with you guys. My natural hair is fine. In about 6 months, this little afro is gonna be out to here. But that's it. Didn't really mean to ramble on, but someone did leave that on my comments, and I just want to address it that my natural hair is fine. Do you see? I went from no edges to bald spots, and there's no bald spots. My hair's grown back perfectly fine. And let me stretch it out for you because it was in a braid. I have some spots in my hair that comes down to here. Like, I'm not even trying to show you my length. Like, I really don't even care about that. I just want my texture and hair to be back full. But I'm about to do my hair, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end, because this is really a Mayvenn review. But I was just like, let me go ahead and touch basis on that comment. Not that it offends me. You can say whatever you want. It does not make or break me. You know how many people don't like me? Do you really think I care? Like, not to be vlogging on my hair channel, but I'm saying, like, all these bills over here I pay them all. So whether you like me or don't like me, they still get paid. Nobody pays them for me. Nobody has ever paid them for me. So as long as I'm still taking care of me and your comments about me don't make or break me, you can think what you want. And I'm actually like your comment. Like, that's just how I do. Like, I take them all, the bad and the negativity. I'm gonna like it because it's all flutter on my channel, if you feel what I'm saying. But next time. Okay guys, I just wanted to come back and show you I have one full bundle in my hair. It feels really, really thin, but it feels really, really good. But I don't really feel like I have that much space. Like, I'm kind of thinking, should I have doubled the tracks to get all the hair in my hair? All the hair in my head. This is the back. You know how when you're doing your own hair, you gotta comb some glue out. So I got some glue I gotta comb out, but so far, this is how much one bundle covered. And now I am going to move on to my second bundle, and it would be nice if I can get this third bundle. I really should have doubled the first track because I feel like I'm running out of space. So we shall see how much we have left at the end. Okay, this is all of 2 bundles. I haven't, excuse me y'all, I haven't combed it out yet. But this is 2 bundles in. And one left to go, but I doubt if we will get all this in here. It actually looks more fuller, but the hair, it just feels so silky that it feels thin. Like, I feel like it's not thick enough. Like, I want to feel like that type of width. But the next time I do it, I'm going to make sure I double up my tracks. But I'm going to put as much of this as I can, and then I'll come back. Okay, this is how much I had left. This is how much I had left out of the 3 bundles. Not that much. And the hair feels really thin, but it's probably just because it's so soft and flirty. It just don't have the thickness that I'm used to, but it's probably just I'm not used to this kind of hair. But I'm really liking it. I do plan on doing another one, so it's not a bad thing. It's just I'm not used to the density. It's a little thinner. But I be having like 4 bundles. It's late. I'm sleepy. So we'll probably finish this up tomorrow. I might throw some curls in it, but for now, I'm just about to straighten it out and, you know, go on about the rest of my night. So maybe I'll come back, maybe I won't, but I will curl it to show you how it holds a curl at some point or in another video. But we will do that before it's time for me to go get my hair done, before my vacay.